Hi guys, welcome to Quebec 9. My name is Olahari and this is another beautiful week. Okay, so this is my first analysis this week. So let's see what's really going on. Let's see. Throughout last week it was a downtrend all the way. So let's see. The question is, as the market really recovers, okay? But before I dive into the chart, guys, stay with me this week. I'm going to be very active with analysis and also analyzing different coins for good profit, okay? And don't forget to use Bybit. Bybit is our official exchange, what we use regularly, okay? Yeah, so let's see how it works. Now, there are some couple of things we need to clarify. You see, trading is a bit easy, okay? The only difficult part is the losing part. Nobody likes to lose anything at all, okay? But if you get yourself acquainted with the losing part, I think you'll be a bit fair with the market and you understand when the market want to dish out profit, okay? So let's make it simple. Let me remove all my regular lines, okay? So let's go all the way to top-down analysis. So this week I'm going to do what we call price action. Now I will explain what it takes to become a pro trader, to understand price action. Now if you've checked the internet, you've watched different videos, you will have heard liquidity gap, right? Okay, so I'm going to explain what it is, and I don't call it liquidity gap, I call it liquidity trap. Okay, so for the whales, for the banks, for the the big traders, those who are trading from 1 million and above, okay, they are looking for where majority of retail traders are trapped, so they want to put their fund there, right? Because if you don't lose, they will not win, okay? So it's ticks for tack. We are all still in this market. We are all still trying to figure out the best success. Everybody will not win at the same time. I will go into details of that later, but let me dive into today's analysis. So this is another BTC profit, and let's go. Okay, so this is 4 hours time frame. Don't forget, top down analysis. At different situation, the market always presents itself differently. That's the reason why, as a new trader, you need to learn, okay? You need to understand your technical analysis, you need to understand your candlesticks, you need to understand market structure, okay? So that at every point in time you can interpret the market, what is really going on, okay? You don't have to be very perfect, but know the basics, okay? Yeah. So now this is what we have. So sorry, I'm always using my phone. Actually, I'm used to it. I'm used to using my phone for analysis. Yes, though I have my system. If I want to look beyond, I always come to my system. So that's my laptop, right? Okay, so here, what do we have? I can see different structure. Now here it looks like the market was accumulating momentum here and was about to blow, but I think the Binance crisis, the Coinbase, and other exchanges that are crumbling, okay, they are the reason why we had this downtrend. And BTC have it cool, yes, because other coins didn't have it funny, such as Matic, Ethereum, Ada, just name all those top 20 coins. They didn't find it very funny. They were in the deep, big deep, more than 30% deep. That's huge. Believe me, that's really huge. But BTC actually stood a very strong ground, okay? So based on that, we're going to draw a trend line from here to here. Can you see that? Yes. Yeah, we're going to draw this trend line. So this trend line actually indicates a downtrend, a downward trend. So what we are looking at, we can see a lot of liquidity gathering around here. Can you see? So we want to know when this downtrend ends. That's the reason for this trend line. Okay, so two things will happen. It's either it hits this trend line and bounce back, or it break through this trend line. Okay, yeah, so let's move into details and see what's going to happen. So from the previous, I always trade based on confluence. That is my own style of trading. Everybody has their own style of trading. It all depends on what you want, okay, or how you get results. Yeah, so let's see my own bounce. This is my own bounce. Simply means that if any candle close above, then there is higher probability that when there's a pullback, then we're going to have a continue uptrend. But if we keep seeing rejection around this line, that tells you we're going down. So that is the bounce. So I've already defined the market, how I want to trade the market. Now depends on whoever is trading it. Now, after analyzing the market, knowing your direction, it is not enough. You have to understand those liquidity gap, those liquidity trap. You must understand that for this market, for this Bitcoin to move uptrend, there are different traps you have to look out for. Okay? Now, if you look at here, for this market to move from this region, okay, this circle region, all the way to this region, if you go on the lower time frame, you will see a lot of traps. As we speak, a lot of traders are already trapped around here because they went short. Okay, so their money has been used for what? Liquidity, to push the market to the upside. That's it. Okay, but your ability to sight all these traps, that what makes you a pro trader. Okay, what makes you an advanced trader is to know the market structure, know all the educations about trading. Okay, if you're new, get yourself into that circle. Being an advanced trader, get yourself into that circle, and I can assure you that you will understand that trading is very easy. Okay, so for you to become, because most people, they will have been trading for a very long time and they're still not getting it right. You are not understanding the trap. Sometimes you place a trade to go short, it will hit your stop loss and continue in your direction. You have to understand the traps. There are traps. I will teach how to identify traps in my masterclass. It's a continuous process. It's not a template. It's not something you will just know at once. If you can identify traps, I can assure you, in 1 month, you become a profitable trader. Then you can now begin to look at how to improve liquidity, how to improve capital, how to improve your account. You must understand the market first in different dimensions. Okay, so let's talk too much. Let's move right ahead. Okay, so currently, even as I speak, I'm currently in this trade. I've already posted the result on my Telegram. So guys, if you're watching this video on any of my social media, just make sure you come on my Telegram. Okay, yeah, that'll be fine. So here we are still waiting for the market. So this is psychological level 26,000, a round figure. Can you see that? So because this candle, long candle, close above, yeah, it gives a very strong trend, right? But the main place that is coming to break this resistance, okay, it has to break this resistance for us to know that yes, we are in a very strong uptrend, that the downtrend has ended. This is where you have to know. Okay, yeah. So as we speak, we can't pick any trade now, but let's go to the 1 hour time frame to check what's really going on. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, okay, yeah, okay, it's already forming like an uptrend. It's just the beginning. So if you can grab the market early enough, it's fine. Okay, can you see that? You see, it has already given that direction. It's just starting anyway. Can you see? It's still very short. Can you see? Okay, so you can look at the market like this. Can you see? Okay, it's not really aligning. Okay, it is this trend that is aligning, this uptrend. Okay, but the market is just starting. If you do this, you see, if you do this, so that's how to identify the trend. Can you see? The uptrend is just starting, but it hasn't broken the major lines. Okay, this is the major line it needs to break on the higher time frame, this line. But on the 1 hour time frame, okay, if you look at it, you understand that we're already here. Can you see it? We're already there. So immediately we close above. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see here? Can you see that? And can you see this place? Can you see that? So, and you can see that it's already on the 1 hour time frame, it's already rejecting. It's already, market is already struggling to break through that resistance. Okay, so as a technical analyst, these are things you need to look out for. I really don't do fundamentals as such. Whenever there's fundamentals, I always keep off the market. Okay, because you really can analyze the market the way you will. Okay, yeah, that's the reason why I don't go for fun. And some people are very good at fundamental analysis. Yes, when the news is coming out, man, they jump into the market and they make good profit. That's just the way it is. Know what works for you and stick to it all the way. Okay, so as we speak, the uptrend is beginning to start, and let's see if we're going to break this double bottom. Can you see? This is the neckline. Can you see it? So it's already giving uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Are we going to break this? So in some few minutes now, we're going to enter a new 4 hours candle. Okay, so when you come to 4 hours time frame, we are expecting new candle to form. Yeah, the candle is here. Can you see that? Yes. So I have an alarm that tells me every 4 hours candle. Can you see that? So new candle is out, right? So this candle, you can see, is already at equilibrium. No buy pressure, no sell pressure. It's just in between. Yes. So that's what that candle is meant for. That's a doji candle. Okay. So guys, I will put the analysis here, and we'll continue to monitor the markets and see how far we can go with the market. So on the 15 minutes time frame is where we always look for what? Entry. Currently, as I said, I am already in this trade. Okay, so I'm somewhere here. This is my entry, somewhere here. My entry is somewhere here. You see? So you see that I've battled with the market up, down, up, down, up, but I still stood my ground to ensure that we're going all the way to the top. Okay? Yep. So guys, if you have any question, drop in the comment section. I will be very active this week. So that's going to be how we're going to work. We have to make a lot of profit. If you are ready, then stay with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.